My name is Ryan Blazer. I'm a building biologist and environmental consultant for over 20 years. I've helped hundreds of people, if not thousands of people, regain their health through going through their home, finding the toxins in their environment, and helping them create a healthy living space for them and their family. You see, we have a pretty big problem these days. Our environments around us are pretty toxic. The air we breathe, the food, the lighting, the chemicals, even the things we see on social media are all very toxic. Where we come in is we help you create a healthy living environment so that the things in your home that are making you sick are no longer there. Now, we've been doing this for a long time and our business has really grown. It's became really big. We've got really busy and we can no longer reach everybody that we can in person. So we developed this kit to be able to reach more people at a more affordable price. You know, if it's one thing that we learned over COVID is that we don't necessarily have to be in person, and there's a lot of things we can do remotely. So we've designed this all-inclusive course that's easy to use but very in-depth to teach you how to go through your house and find the hidden toxins so that you can become an expert. And this has been a really powerful course for people, a really powerful tool for people to use to go through their home, figure out what's going on, and create a great space for them and their family. So now I want to talk about some of the things that are in this course. This course is really amazing and we're really excited about it. So one of the first things that you're going to get with your kit is this air quality meter. This is going to test for radon, carbon monoxide, chemicals that are in the air, humidity, air pressure, and this is something that you can keep for the rest of your life. It's going to continually monitor the air in your house. It's got some really cool dashboards and some apps you can log in and totally monitor the air quality of your home. Now, another thing that's really important is keeping your home dry. So we've included this moisture meter that's you can go through the home, you can scan all the important spots and make sure that we don't have any moisture problems, because this is one of the biggest leading causes of mold is water in your home. Now we've included a gas leak detector and then also carbon monoxide. This is a silent killer. We want to make sure that we don't have any carbon monoxide or gas leaks within your home. So and all of these are accompanied by videos that's easy to walk you through step by step. Everything I've learned over my years, we're putting this in this video and teaching you how to do this stuff really easy. EMF is another big one. So we got this cool meter here that can do radio frequency, magnetic, electric fields. Go through your home, you can identify the sources and reduce your exposure big time. That's going to help a lot. Now when it comes to mold, we found the easiest way to determine if you have a mold problem in your house is to actually collect dust, send it to the laboratory, and they're going to do a full analysis to see if there's any signs of mold, any mold parts, any mold fragments. If there is, we use that with a thorough walkthrough and the moisture meter to help determine where the sources are so that we can see if we need to get some remediation in there to fix your mold issues. Now, lastly is the water test kit. You're going to fill up the water test and you're going to put water in the little vial and you're going to send that to the laboratory and test for 45 different of the most common contaminants. We also have some really easy to use forms. They're color coded. So you can go through your home with all of this equipment and you're going to test and write all the levels down. Now, once you get all this information, you're going to get on a call with me or one of my coaches and we're going to analyze all of the data that you've collected and we're going to come with a specialized plan that's specific to you to help you eliminate all the issues in your home and truly make a healing sanctuary for your house. So we're really excited about this kit. So go through the page, learn as much as you can about it. You can click below. You have two basic options. You can click right away and order the kit directly to you, or you can schedule a time with our Healthy Home Advisor to ask more questions and make sure that this kit is right for you. We're really excited to have you part of the family and look forward to working with you.